Hi, everybody. Welcome. So, do you guys like ranch dressing as much as I do? Because really, I love ranch dressing. And when I tell you you can make it at home and it's beyond simple, this is one of the easiest recipes that we made in the restaurant. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Adam Khan. I live here in Las Vegas. I own three restaurants over a 12-year span. I am no longer in the restaurant business, but I still love to cook. This was the ranch that I made at my pizza Italian restaurant, and we would make it from scratch. It's so easy to do. It was one of the things that I loved because it was really easy to teach all the staff because it's exact measurements. So it's pretty much 2 to 1 in terms of mayonnaise to buttermilk, and then you need some garlic powder, some black pepper, and some parsley. Those 5 things are the only things that go in a ranch dressing, and when you make it at home, it's going to blow away anything that you buy pre-made in a bottle or in a packet or anything like that. So give me a couple seconds. I'm going to get it together. I'm going to pour this whole bottle out. It's 30 ounces in here, so I've already measured 15 ounces of the buttermilk, and then it's essentially 1 tablespoon of each of the spices. So I'll pour those out. We'll mix it up, and I'll sample it for you. So all I did so far while the camera was out is I emptied out the bottle of mayonnaise into my bowl here. I'm now going to add the 15 ounces of the buttermilk and watch. I mean, everybody should be able to do this, I would think. So we got that. 1 tablespoon garlic, tablespoon black pepper. Excuse me. It's funny how that happens sometimes, right? And tablespoon of parsley. And not fresh parsley, dry parsley, because it is a little bit for the flavor, but it is also to make it look like ranch. So I do that as a heaping one, and then stir. That's all there is to it. So, well, I learned how to use the fast forward on the camera, so or on the editing. I'm terrible at editing, but I'm getting better. So I'll stir this. Maybe my voice will sound like a chipmunk if I do it at sped up speeds, but hopefully, look at that. And then I've got a little spatula here, so I can take stuff off the sides and push it back in if it's getting on the sides like that. Awesome. Oh, and that's so simple. That's it. That's all there is to homemade ranch. And I'll stir it a little bit more just to make sure it all gets through and it gets a little aerated as well. But how friggin' awesome to make ranch at home. And it couldn't take, but look, the camera's on 2 minutes with me kind of explaining through it. It doesn't take very long. Super simple. I'll get a piece of bread and try it real quick. So I'll put you on pause while I get a piece of bread. All right, got my bread. Now I can taste it. I'm excited. I haven't made it in a little while, and I like our ranch. Oh, it's delicious. I mean, when I tell you this blows away anything that you'll buy in at the store, it's so much better. We used to sell tons of it at the restaurant. Give this one a try, really. If you have some time, pick up the ingredients, test it out, see what you think. Make a comment after trying it. I think you'll really be surprised how easy it was. And if your family uses or likes ranch, they'll be floored. I can't wait to give my wife some. She'll be so excited that I made it. Have a great day. Chime in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, say hello. Anything would be cool. Bye bye. I thought I'd chime in a little bit more. I just want to tell you it's so good that I'm even having my second piece of bread, which I don't usually do, and I'm even using the end piece just to get it used up. The ranch is awesome. Do yourselves a favor, test it out. It's really good.